When you wake up in the morning, your body is at its most vulnerable state of the day. Muscles are stiff, joints are dry, balance systems are slower, and blood pressure is still adjusting. This is why so many falls, strains, and dizzy spells happen in the morning, not during exercise, but during simple daily tasks like getting out of bed or walking to the bathroom. In Japan, elders who remain independent well into their 80s understand this reality deeply. They don't rush their mornings. They don't jump into activity. Instead, they treat the first minutes after waking as a gentle transition, a time to reconnect with their bodies and prepare them for the day ahead. This simple mindset is one of the biggest reasons they maintain independence for so long. Independence is not about lifting heavy weights or walking long distances. It's about being able to stand up without help, move without fear, and trust your body in everyday situations. Japanese elders design their mornings around protecting these abilities. The first movement begins before standing, instead of immediately getting out of bed. Many Japanese elders gently wake up their joints while still lying down. Knees bend and straighten slowly. Ankles move in small circles. Wrists and shoulders shift gently. These movements stimulate circulation, warm the joints, and reduce stiffness. This step alone can significantly lower the risk of dizziness and imbalance when standing. Rushing out of bed may save time, but it puts stress on aging joints and challenges blood pressure regulation. Taking just 1 or 2 minutes to move gently can make the rest of the day safer and smoother. Once standing, posture becomes the focus. Japanese elders place great importance on how they stand, not rigidly, but naturally upright. Feet are grounded, shoulders relaxed, chin level. From this position, they take slow, deep breaths. Breathing deeply expands the rib cage, activates core muscles, and stabilizes the spine. Proper posture improves balance instantly, because the body's center of gravity becomes more controlled. Poor posture doesn't just affect appearance, it affects stability, breathing, and confidence. Morning posture awareness resets the body for better movement all day long. The third movement is slow, sitting and standing. This is one of the most powerful habits for preserving independence. Instead of collapsing into a chair or pushing up quickly, Japanese elders lower themselves slowly and rise with control. This strengthens the thighs, hips, glutes, and core, the muscles responsible for standing, walking, and preventing falls. Medical studies consistently show that the ability to stand up from a seated position is one of the strongest indicators of longevity. Practicing this movement daily keeps those critical muscles active and reliable. Next comes gentle spinal mobility. Many Japanese elders perform small, relaxed upper body rotations in the morning. These are not stretches meant to push limits. They are comfortable twists that maintain spinal flexibility. A flexible spine allows the body to adjust quickly when balance is challenged. When the spine becomes stiff, the risk of falling increases dramatically. These gentle rotations also improve coordination between the upper and lower body, something that often declines with age, but is essential for safe movement. The fifth movement is intentional walking. Not fast walking, not exercise walking, just slow, mindful steps. Heel touches the ground first, weight rolls smoothly through the foot, and toes push off gently. This strengthens the feet and ankles, which are often overlooked but play a crucial role in balance. Weak feet lead to instability. Strong, responsive feet help prevent falls before they happen. Even 2 or 3 minutes of mindful walking in the morning can maintain this foundation. The sixth movement is balance practice hidden inside daily routines. Japanese elders often stand on one leg briefly while brushing teeth, putting on socks, or waiting for water to boil. They don't think of this as exercise, they think of it as staying capable. Balance is a skill, controlled by muscles and a nervous system. If it's not practiced, it fades. Short, regular balance moments retrain the brain and body to work together, reducing fear and improving confidence. What makes these 6 movements so effective is consistency, not intensity. None of them cause exhaustion. None require special clothing or equipment. And none feel overwhelming. Yet together they protect strength, coordination, and independence year after year. Western culture often treats aging as inevitable decline. Japanese elders demonstrate that while aging is unavoidable, rapid decline is not. The body adapts to what it practices. When movement is gentle, regular, and intelligent, the body responds positively, even later in life. Morning is the most important time to practice these movements, because stiffness and instability are highest then. By caring for the body first thing, Japanese elders reduce injuries, increase confidence, and move through the day with ease. You don't need to perform all 6 movements perfectly. You don't need to rush. Start with 1 or 2, and others gradually. The goal is not perfection, it's consistency. True strength after 60 is quiet. It shows up in confidence, balance, and independence, and it begins every morning with simple, mindful movement. If this message resonated with you, like the video and subscribe for more content focused on healthy aging, balance, and independence. Remember, don't move more, move better.